Listen up, fam. Most people think their focus gets stolen by phones, girls, friends. But here's the truth nobody tells you. No one can distract you unless you let them. The moment you blame everything around you, you become a victim in your own story. And a victim mindset? It kills your power before the world even tries. The more you blame the outside world, the more you lose control of your inside world. But the day you accept that your focus is your responsibility, everything changes. Because the problem was never the distraction. The problem was that you kept giving it permission. Tomorrow is the biggest lie we tell ourselves. Every night you swear you'll start fresh the next day. No phone, no reels, no nonsense. But that tomorrow never comes. You're comforting yourself with excuses, silent lies that break your confidence piece by piece. You get stuck in a cycle of delay, guilt, frustration, and this cycle destroys your self-respect. There's only one fix. Not tomorrow, now. Start with whatever little you can, because the moment you begin, momentum starts fighting for you instead of against you. Fire. Your goals are blurry. That's why your life feels blurry. You say you want success, focus, discipline. But what do you actually want? You don't know. A confused mind will chase anything shiny. A girl, a trend, a notification, a new desire every day. And instead of becoming a warrior with one mission, you become a wanderer with zero direction. So do this. Write your mission on paper. Read it every morning. Make every decision based on that mission. When your purpose gets crystal clear, distractions lose their power. Fire. You're scared to say no. You go with friends because they might feel bad. You join nonsense plans because you don't want to look rude. And in trying to save every relationship, you lose your time, your focus, and your future. Not every relationship is an investment. Some are emotional expenses. The ones who pull you down are not your people. And saying no is the first step toward the version of you that actually wins. Your phone isn't the enemy. Your habits are. A phone is a tool. Some people use it to learn skills. Some use it to build businesses. And you? Scrolling for hours, thinking the phone is the problem. The weapon isn't dangerous. The warrior is untrained. Make your phone your teammate, not your trap. Fill it with apps that build you. Use social media with purpose, not boredom. No time is the biggest excuse of the average person. Everyone has responsibilities. Everyone has struggles. But winners create time. Losers wait for time. If your dream matters, you'll wake up at 5 a.m. or stay up till 1 a.m. But you'll find a way. Because when something becomes a priority, time adjusts. Your goals are optional. That's why you keep losing. Anything optional becomes invisible. If your dream is just nice to have, your brain never takes it seriously. But when your dream becomes a non-negotiable, something you must do, distractions shrink, focus becomes automatic, and your mind becomes a weapon. Tell yourself, every day, minimum 4 hours for my mission. No matter what. This mindset separates the average from the unstoppable. Your heart isn't connected to your dream. That's why you don't move. You're thinking logically, I should do this. I should work hard. But you feel nothing inside. Logic can guide you, but emotion is what makes you take action. Attach your dream to something emotional. Your parents' hopes, your struggles, your pain, your hunger to prove yourself. When your dream touches your heart, your effort hits a different level. Ignoring distractions doesn't make you strong. Defeating their source does. You scroll because you're bored, or lonely, or emotional, or insecure. Identify your weak moments. Write them down. Fix the root. Turn your weakness into your weapon. The day you face your distraction instead of avoiding it, you win. If you don't know what you want, the world will use you for what it wants. People will push you around. Situations will control you. Trends will shape you. Because an unclear mind becomes everyone's toy. But when you choose your mission, truly choose it, the world stops pulling you. You start pulling the world. Fire. Your entire life runs on one thing, your mindset. If your mind isn't locked in, the world will drag you anywhere it wants. But the moment you decide, I'm done being weak, you become unstoppable. Set one rule. Every day, 4 hours for my dream. No excuses. Wake up and remind yourself who you're becoming. Your dream has a price. Pay it daily. When your mindset becomes unshakable, nothing, not people, not situations, not distractions, can move you. This is your turning point. Tell me in the comments, are you ready to fix your mindset starting today? Because I'm here to help you upgrade step by step. If this hit you, drop a like, subscribe, and join the channel membership for deeper transformation. See you in the next power-packed video.